Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. To remove the number before the decimal point in Excel, you can use the following steps. 1. Using the right function *. You can use the right function in Excel to extract characters from the right side of a text string. In this case, you can use it to extract everything after the decimal point. In this formula, A1 is the cell containing the number. Find, A1, finds the position of the decimal point in the text. Len, A1, find, A1, calculates the number of characters after the decimal point. Right, A1, len, A1, find, A1, extracts the characters after the decimal point. 2. Using the trunc function *. Another way to remove the number before the decimal point is by using the trunc function. The trunc function returns the integer part of a number by removing the fractional part. In this formula, A1 is the cell containing the number. Trunc, A1, returns the integer part of the number. A1, trunc, A1, calculates the fractional part of the number. 3. Using the text function *. You can also use the text function to format the number as text and then extract characters after the decimal point. In this formula, A1 is the cell containing the number. Text, A1, #.0 #, formats the number with 1 decimal place. Find, text, A1, #.0 #, finds the position of the decimal point in the formatted text. Mid, text, A1, #.0 #, find, text, A1, #.0 #, +1, len, text, A1, #.0 #, extracts the characters after the decimal point. By using one of these methods, you can remove the number before the decimal point in Excel.